Now, if you want to set up and start using your Vissani portable air conditioner, well, there are a few things that you may need to know here and you need to do. So, first things first is you want to find the right spot and you want to unbox it. Start by choosing a good place for your air conditioner, somewhere flat and close to a window, preferably, now since you'll need to vent the hot air outside. Now make sure there's some space around it so air can circulate properly. And once you've got your spot, unbox the unit carefully and take out the parts like the exhaust hose and the window kit. Now next, connect the exhaust hose to the back of the unit. It just twists or clicks into place depending on your model. Then fit the window kit into your window frame and connect the other end of the hose so the warm air can escape outside. Try to keep the hose straight. Sharp bends can slow down airflow and make it less efficient. Now that your it's up properly set up, plug the air conditioner into a grounded outlet and avoid using an extension cord since this appliance needs steady power. Now you want to press the power button and you'll hear it start up. It might take a short moment here before the cool air kicks in, so give it a little bit of time. Now, once it's actually running, you can go and adjust how it works using the control panel or the remote. There's usually a cool mode for chilling the room, so a dry mode to remove moisture, and a fan mode for simple air circulation. Let your preferred temperature and fan speed and let it do its thing. Now, keep it performing well, so you may want to clean the air filters every couple weeks. Just open the top panel, remove the filter, and either vacuum it or rinse it underwater. Let it dry before putting it back in, and make sure the vent hose stays clear and Windows connection is snug. That helps with both cooling and energy use. Now, when you're done using it or the season's over, unplug it and drain any leftover water from the back. This prevents mold and musty smells. Now, once it's empty and dry, you can pack it up and store it in a cool, dry place until next time. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.